Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should already have your Chromebook awake and Chrome open. Once done, navigate to the page that contains the link you want. Make sure you can see the link on screen or the URL in the address bar because you'll act on that immediately. If the link is embedded in text, hover or tap to reveal it. If it's the current page URL, focus the address bar. This first action saves time and prevents copying the wrong item, so confirm the target before you proceed. You'll copy differently depending on whether you're targeting a link or the address bar. For a link, use a 2-finger tap on the touchpad or long press on a touchscreen to open the context menu, then choose Copy Link Address. For the page URL, click the address bar to highlight it and press Ctrl+C, or open the context menu and tap Copy. Once copied, the link sits on the clipboard ready for pasting, so make sure you see the confirmation or test paste into a text field. Now paste the link where you need it. Place the cursor in a message, document, or address bar and press Ctrl+V, or use a 2-finger tap and choose Paste. After pasting, quickly open the link to verify it points to the right page. This prevents broken or incomplete shares. If nothing pastes, make sure you actually copied. Repeat the copy step. If problems persist, copy a short word to clear the clipboard. Then recopy the link and try again to resolve stuck clipboard issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.